Do you know the difference between data mining and machine learning? This is a popular question where the interviewer can ask you your knowledge about data mining as well as how much you know about machine learning and the differences. So let's see what is the answer on this. So data mining is the process of discovering patterns in data set. So this is a not a new thing. Data mining is much before like machine learning, and we found different kind of like programs or ways by which we can find the patterns in data sets. And in general, this is a big data set. So we perform data mining using programming methods and algorithms, and there are like different patterns in it. And we use it to extract useful information from large amounts of raw data. So there is like a big amount of data, and then from that data we want to find some specific information, right, which is critical to the business, which is critical for your hypothesis. So we can use data mining techniques to find that information. And data mining also helps us in understanding the data in an easier way, and also it makes us different uses of data out of it, right? Because in the past also, let's say in aeronautics or in like space exploration, there'll be a lot of data. Now out of this data we want to figure out what are the trends, what are the key things. So data mining techniques can help us understand that. Whereas machine learning is a technique to make computers learn new things without explicitly programming. So in data mining, we explicitly program look for specific things, specific trends, whereas in machine learning, we create a model and that model learns new things without explicitly programming for specific part, right? Machine learning is based on pattern recognition, computational learning theory, and artificial intelligence. So these are the three different bases of machine learning, where we try to apply all these learnings to understand more from our data set, more from our around the world, right? And some of the main uses of machine learning are predictive analysis and classification. So we try to do some kind of a supervised learning, or we want to do unsupervised learning where we try to find clusters in the data. So all these kind of uses are there in the machine learning. So if you see now, the important difference between both of them is that in data mining, we look for patterns explicitly. Whereas in machine learning, the model identifies the pattern, right? In data mining, we are programming and to solve one specific problem. Here in machine learning, model can determine many things. It can be used for solving specific problem as well as other kind of a problem that appears on the same domain, right? So model learns over the time by itself. So we keep tuning the model and it keep learning more and start giving it more results. So data mining involves manual efforts. That is another key difference, where in data mining we employ a lot of people, we do manual intervention, we do like manual analysis, and we try to find knowledge and insights in data. In machine learning, what we do is that we create algorithms, we create models. These models are trained and they train to learn the system, they train to learn the new insights in the system. So that way the manual effort is lessened in machine learning, and you can run a model and it will keep running for like maybe a few days, and then it will keep giving us the results. Or at times we can integrate the model in some specific software, and there this model keep working, right? Whereas in data mining, you need to put a lot of manual efforts to keep tuning it, right? And then data mining is limited in efforts because it involves a lot of manual work, manual analysis, right? So we cannot get much bigger scale with data mining. Whereas in machine learning, since we can work on a large data set with a small set of model, then it gets more scalable. We can get very high efficiency, very high accuracy by using machine learning models. So these are the key differences between data mining and machine learning. If you have any other questions or if you want to leave some feedback, do let us know in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer that. Thank you, and do subscribe to this channel so that you can keep getting updates from time to time on machine learning topics.